All right, I want to add this to my YouTube channel. It's hard to get good pictures of heads with lighting in them and stuff like that. I don't have a lot of light out here. I'm outside, but we're about to get some rain, so my lighting is not great. But I wanted to go over a few things. I got these back today, milled, valve job. This is the original head they're the original intake, runner, combustion chamber, and exhaust port that I did by hand. Now the CNC came in here and hit a couple little spots, but as you can see, it just hits a few spots. I'll go in there and hand finish that, and then what I'll do once the guy paid for this beautiful CNC work too. I mean, it really is. So what I'm going to do is do a mirror finish on all these, on the combustion chambers and exhaust ports, and then I'll do a 60 grit hand finish on the bowls down in there and throughout the whole runner. Now I'm not going to do this for everybody from now on. If you want the hand finish like that, I'd have no problems doing it, but I'll have to charge for that. I'll hand finish it for about $300 a set and polish them out. But these are without me even doing any cleaning. I got these as today, and it's hard to get these on camera without lighting in there, so let's see what I can manage here. And that's the hand finished one that I'll re-go over. It's just a couple little spots where the CNC touched. So I had to cut one intake runner and one exhaust port to send out, and one combustion chamber. So I'll flip it, let you look at the exhaust ports from both sides. The exhaust ports are big at 102 cc, and that's about as big as you can go on the stock castings. Alright, I'll flip them over. This head's not completely cleaned up. There's some mess. I'll clean all this up, but I just wanted to show the CNC work. So you can see the throats and everything that was CNC'd out on these, which will save me some time. This is behind the bowl of the exhaust port, intake runner, exhaust, intake, exhaust. These came out really good, guys. So what I'll do is I'll hand finish these out, and then I'll show the difference between the hand finish. The hand finish, what it's going to be good for is it's going to be good for carbon not building up in these CNC lines. Because whatever, it's going to build no matter what, but if you get a real smooth mirror finish on here, it just doesn't have texture to stick to near as easy. So it keeps the port it keeps the port volume up, and you don't get a lot of carbon buildup in there. Same thing with the chambers. The intake runners is not as crucial, and really all you really want to do with those is just like a 60 grit cartridge finish on the ports. But I mean, you can run them just like this. I mean, lots of other people don't hand finish heads. I will offer that, but I haven't made up my mind what I'm going to charge for it. It does take time. But I have a CNC program now for ls7s, and I'm fixing to work on the ls3 and then the ls6. After that, I'll have a full line of my ls heads for CNC. I will post another video of this once I'm completely cleaned up the head and everything's done. But this is just as I got them back, and I'm extremely happy. He did an amazing job on these for me. He just went in there and copied my port that I cut, and made them all like it. And they look good too. So I'll get video of these up. I just wanted to just show what I got. So I'm pretty proud. This is my first ever CNC head, so I'm really happy.